And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a reload icon. It's relatively easy. All that we need is a circle. Hold shift and control when you drag it. Click on the X to get rid of the fill, then hold shift. Click on a black color swatch to give it a stroke. Now create a rectangle just like this, and the position determines the cut. So if you put it more on the outside, the cut is smaller, and this is the only crucial step. You may have to do this a couple of times and use different positions to find the correct position that you need. But once you've got something, just press Ctrl A to select it all, then path, cut path, delete the small part, then go to object, fill and stroke. Under stroke style we can give it a marker. It's relatively small, but if you increase the width you can see it properly. Don't worry about the marker for now, just worry about the width of the stroke, and you might want to give it a round cap. It's still selected, and now go to path and stroke the path. Then Shift Ctrl G to ungroup, and now the marker is detached from this circle, and we can size it up holding Shift and Control and reposition it. If you want to rotate the marker, just click on it 2 times, and then you can use these icons. So in this case, my initial rectangle created a cut that was a little bit too small, I would say, but you get the idea. So this is the process that you have to use. As I've said, the only crucial step is to find the correct position for the rectangle to create the cut. But this in general is how you can create a reload icon in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.